you could go ahead and use those same tools to try to see how it works for your fly hair removing. Also, you see these little hairs right here? They're not a big deal. It's something I wouldn't normally do. But healing brush tool right here. And Alt left click and just a little bit in. Look at that. Get rid of those right there. All right. Get rid of this hair sticking out right here. All right. Looks like a water drop on our skin. All right. Now, if you get this happening where you can't get the hair, you can switch to the spot healing brush tool. I like to hold it at just above it and then move down on it. But then okay, for this example, it did kind of mess up the background. I don't like what that's doing. All right. There is a solution for it though. And I can straight up click where I want to solve this from. I can come back up here. So what I did is I clicked on this color and then the color picker opened. I clicked the area right by the hair. That wasn't going away. I clicked OK. I selected the brush. And now I'm going to turn this brush opacity down to like 28. Okay. And I'm going to change that size down real small. I'm going to try to just paint over that. Now remember, when you... Yeah, that looks a lot better. But when you go over it more than once, it starts stacking. So you got to be careful. So that's another quick fix, though. All right. So... I am completely happy with this photo. We're not done yet, though. So last thing is the eyes.